G'day, this is Jim. This tool has a very specific function. It's designed to pick up large boxes out of a deep freeze. Bending over into a deep freeze to pick up large boxes of frozen goods is very bad for your back, so I wanted to make something that was very quick and easy to slip under the box and help drag it out without putting excess stress and strain on your back. I couldn't find anything on the market that was suitable, so it fit right in with my self-sufficient attitude, and I just got stuck in and gave it a go. It works really well, but if you've got any suggestions, I'd like to hear about them in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And to all my existing subscribers, thanks again for all your continued support. Until next time, take it easy.